the special journey to Mecca. Hajj is a special trip Muslims make to Mecca, Saudi Arabia. It's one of the five pillars of Islam and shows love and obedience to Allah. Packing with purpose. Pilgrims pack simple clothes and prepare their hearts for a spiritual journey. Dressing alike. Pilgrims wear white clothes called ihram to show that everyone is equal before Allah. Walking around the Kaaba. Pilgrims walk around the Kaaba 7 times, showing love for Allah. Running between hills. Pilgrims walk between the hills of Safa and Marwa, remembering Hajar's search for water. Refreshing with Zamzam. Pilgrims drink water from the Zamzam well, a special gift from Allah, a day of prayer. Pilgrims spend the day praying and asking for forgiveness at Mount Arafat. Gathering stones. Pilgrims collect small stones to use in the next ritual. Throwing pebbles at evil. Pilgrims throw pebbles at 3 pillars in Mina, symbolizing the rejection of evil. Celebrating Eid. Pilgrims sacrifice an animal to remember Prophet Ibrahim's obedience to Allah. Giving to others. The meat from the sacrificed animal is shared with the poor, neighbors, and family. Joining in spirit. Even if you're not on Hajj, you can pray, read Quran, and do good deeds during this special time. Even if you're not in Mecca, you can still participate. Make dua, ask Allah for forgiveness and blessings. Read Quran, spend time reading or listening to the Quran. Give charity. Help those in need by donating toys, clothes, or money. Be kind. Show kindness to family, friends, and neighbors. The sacrifice of an animal during Hajj honors the story of Prophet Ibrahim, who was willing to sacrifice his son in obedience to Allah. Allah provided a ram to sacrifice instead. This act teaches us about obedience, faith, and sharing with those in need.